All right, can you guys hear me okay?
Yes, we can.
Beautiful. Okay. Well, I'm gonna be talking about the top 5 pain points when setting up a new TikTok shop. So it's incredible how sometimes we meet with brands that they're high 8-figure sellers and they're still having trouble setting up a TikTok shop. Many things can go wrong. Okay, there's only one right way to do it and 83 different wrong ways to doing it, whether to setting it up or once you have got it set up, something goes wrong, then they shadow ban you. So I'm gonna talk about 5 points, which are very important points. I only have 2 slides. I have the first slide and the last slide. The first slide talks about myself. The last slide talks about if you want to meet with me or book a call. And then I do have my notes, but I will not be sharing slides. So the first slide is here it is. So I'm Ernesto. I'm a team lead and partner at Bullseye Sellers. I launched my own Amazon brand in 2015 and exited 2 years later. The brand was doing 7 figures at that point. And like you say, Vincesto, TikTok right now is like Amazon 10 years ago, right? 10, 12 years ago. It's the Wild West. So that's what when I started my brand, you could do pretty much anything on Amazon. And then they started putting more and more and more rules, which is what's going to happen with TikTok. But right now, it's an amazing opportunity. So I've been in the e-commerce world for over 10 years. So I do full management for TikTok Shop and Amazon brands. And a little bit about Bullseye Sellers. So Bullseye Sellers started in 2018, and we currently manage 150 brands, generating hundreds of millions in sales between our brands. So good. I'm gonna get started. First, I want to talk about setting up a TikTok shop. And I don't know how many of you already have a TikTok shop or don't, but still gonna talk about some important things when you're setting up a TikTok shop. You need to link your brand page to TikTok shop, two separate things. You got your TikTok shop and your branded page. You need to register your trademark for brand protection. You need category approval. You need to set up flash deals. And this is kind of the boring thing, but it's extremely important to set this up correctly if you want to set yourself up for success. So you want to set up flash deals. Okay. TikTok shop is an impulse buy. It's different than Amazon or anything else out there where people are searching for products. Right now, people are just scrolling on their phone, looking at funny videos, politics, sports, whatever, tips, and then boom, they see a video about someone promoting a toy for their kids, right? So it needs to generate that impulse buy. So flash deals is a big part of generating that impulse purchase feeling. Subscribe and save if you have vitamins, supplements, etc. And then so you need to have your hero image is very important. Your hero image because that is the 99% of the time that's the only image that people see, your hero image. And then you need to optimize your listing. And I'll talk a little bit more about that. So the five phases or 5 points that I'm going to be talking about is about first, choosing the right fulfillment method at the beginning is important. Then importing and optimizing your catalog. 3, understand account health and probation. This is very important as well. Number 4 is how to generate your first sales without spending thousands on ads. And number 5, set up inventory and operations to scale. Good. So the first one, set up your fulfillment method. Once you set up your shop, you have 4 ways of fulfilling. One, it's self-fulfilled. You own your warehouse or you have inventory in your house and you ship it yourself. Another way is connecting it to Amazon MCF, and then Amazon will be fulfilling for you. A third way is through a 3PL, either connected directly through a 3PL or you can connect it to Shopify if you have Shopify connected to a 3PL. And fourth, and the best way of fulfilling is FBT, Fulfilled by TikTok. Is the fastest, is like FBA, Amazon FBA for TikTok, right? FBT. So it's the fastest, the cheapest, and is the best for your account health. And I'll be talking a little bit more about the account health, but it's very important to keep the account health in good standing. Number 2, import and optimize your catalog. So you can create your listings 3 different ways. One is you connect it to Shopify and it imports all the images, description, titles, pricing, everything. Okay. This is done through a Shopify TikTok app. Inside Shopify, you download the TikTok app and then it imports it. Number 2 is connecting it to Amazon and then it imports the listing through Amazon. Now keep in mind, once you connect it to either Amazon or Shopify, that's how it's going to stay connected forever. So you can edit it inside TikTok Shop, but that's a separate thing. Number 3 is adding each listing manually. You add the images, the description, title, pricing, etc., etc. It's not that hard. Once you have the content, it's not that hard. We personally like to connect it to Shopify, connect the inventory to Shopify, and then you need to optimize it. So once you import it, you have to optimize it and make it good for TikTok Shop. Maybe the character count, you have additional characters, or you need to shorten the characters. or you can add more pictures, videos, etc. So you need to optimize it within TikTok Shop. All right, number 3 is you got to understand account health. So TikTok is very picky about your account health. So responding to customer service questions within 24 hours. They track that. And every customer that you respond over 24 hours, you get penalized. Sending inventory, you need to ship within 48 hours and the end user needs to receive the product within 7 days. Obviously, they track return rates, refunds, negative reviews, all of that. So when you start a new account, you got to get through 4 stages of probation and you need consistent sales. You need to manage the account correctly. You need to answer to customer service questions on time and so on. And you move on through the 4 stages of probation. It takes maybe 2 to 3 months. Once you're out of probation, you're out of probation. Now, if you start responding to customer service messages late or shipping late or cancellation rate goes high, then they'll penalize you, your account score goes down, and they'll limit your daily sale. We have seen accounts that are selling $1,000 a day, and because of some issues with late inventories, they limit them to, I believe it was 10 or 20. I believe it was 10 sales a day. So they went from $1,000 a day to $150 a day overnight. Eventually we fixed it, but it took a couple of weeks to fix that. So account health, you gotta understand it. How do you get your first sales? Well, it's kind of the chicken or the egg, right? Because you need creators to promote your product, but you need to be selling a few $1,000s to be able to attract good creators, at least creators that are going to make some sales for you. So what we do we use a sister company called Celico. They have a pool of buyers. We do 100 giveaways. Basically, we get 100 people to buy the product at full price and they get reimbursed. It costs about $10. They charge about $10 per purchase. And this starts generating interest from better creators. So that's one way. Another way is you yourself start creating content. It's not about the number of creators, but it's about the number of videos. So if you yourself can start doing 2, 3, 4 videos a day promoting your products, that's a great way of doing it. I'm personally a creator, so I'm doing it not to make money, but to get the experience of being a creator, right? I want to know what's happening on the other side of the coin. And it's not that easy to create content, you know? You might see a 30-second video that it took 25 minutes to create and edit and post and search and all of that. So if you want to create 5 videos, it could take you 5 hours. Once you get good, then you can do it faster, but it's all about the content. Okay, and number 5 is just set up your inventory and operations to scale. What's gonna happen with Amazon, the sales are like that, okay? Month after month. TikTok, you're gonna see no sales, $500, $1,500, $2,000 the next month, $4,000, and then month number 5, $80,000. And you don't know when a video is going to go viral and hit. So you want to be ready for that. You want to have enough inventory and operations to be able to handle that. Half of our clients, when they first go viral, half of our clients go out of stock, okay? We reserve some inventory for Amazon because you do not want to run out of inventory on Amazon. But on TikTok, it doesn't matter. You can run out of inventory for 3 months. As soon as inventory arrives, then it's like it catches up right away. Okay, so this last slide, if you want to meet, I'm more than happy to meet with anyone to talk about your brand or your products or anything. And you can scan this QR code or go to bullseyesellers.com, meet with Ernesto, bullseyesellers.com/meet with Ernesto, or scan this QR code, and I'll be more than happy to meet with you and give you some personalized advice. That's it.